I want to get into pollen chucking next. This is another practice that some say is unethical. Others say it's perfectly fine. First of all, what is pollen chucking in case there's somebody in the audience that doesn't know what it actually is? What is it and what are your thoughts on it?
All right, pollen chucking. You're getting some pollen and you're chucking it on some plants. There's no real direction. You don't really know. You're just maybe just kind of seeing what's happening and you're just crossing it. And there's not much direction. And then, if they're just for you, that's cool. You can hunt through and find your own phenotype. But if you're selling them on the market and you're just chucking pollen, you might not even flower out the cuts. You're like, oh, I just acquired, Gelato 33 or the permanent marker, and now you just throw it into a reversal tent, and pollinate some stuff. Hopefully, it's the right genetics, right? Otherwise you're gonna have some issues. But basically, just rushing into just throwing pollen on things, with no direction or real purpose, you know. I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing. I mean, some people might consider some of the stuff we do pollen chucking, because some of the crosses are just kind of one-off crosses. I know both parent plants already, but that might be considered pollen chucking or whatever. But I think it goes back to like your intentions on what you're trying to do. Are you just doing it for yourself? You're just trying to like hook up with some buddies? You're just trying to find something cool? Or are you like packaging these things and putting them to market and like saying it's this or that when you don't even know? You didn't even grow out the cut that you reversed onto all the other cuts. You don't even know if it's the right plant. If you've never grown it, I mean, yeah, you can muddy the waters real quick going that direction. So yeah, there's a way to do it and there's a way not to do it. And typically, pollen chucking is referred to the person who's just chucking it with no purpose, no direction, kind of just doing it. So,
What if they were transparent about it? They're like, yeah, I pollen chucked these and, I did this cross and this cross. I crossed this with this with this with this, and packaged them up, put them on market, and like, you should get this from it. It was a pollen chuck, full disclosure. I haven't grown it out, blah, blah, blah. Is that okay in your eyes? Or is that
I
just,
think I think
no,
it's,
they
I
shouldn't be
think
doing
it's okay because it's like certain people are gonna like steer away right away. Most of the experienced people, but then it also depends. What's the price point? What are you
it?
trying to
Yeah.
be like? Yo, these are $200 seed packs, dog. Like this is the fire, or are they like, yo, like these are $20, $30 packs or whatever. And this is what it is. I don't have the space or the means to do this. I'm just trying to offer something that I think is cool. It's kind of like on a smaller level. Of being a breeder, pollen chucker or whatever. So yeah, as long as you're transparent. It's the guys that really that irks me that don't. That like if you do, I mean, man, big ups to you. Like you're straight up like, yo, here it is. If you buy it and it herms out your whole room, I mean, says it right there. Like, yo, this is untested gear. Like, this is what it is. But hey, it's $20 for a pack. You're running the risk. You got to know. And if you're running plants, you already know you got to be watching this type of stuff no matter what. It could be Robin Hood seeds, which is untested, or it could be his other brand, Square One Genetics. You could be those plants too. You still got to watch because you never know what's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? So.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.